Those who have not appeared for the test are absent. Okay. Now here you should understand that should I use this one also? I think you can see uh, in wherever required. I'll use white this one also. Right. So can you see this? Right. Can you see the second screen also? Second one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now in a circular linked list, he told this is the circular linked list. Now you take circular linked list of singly linked list or whatever you take it. I'll take singly linked list. Now what is happening here is from here, what are we doing? From here, we are coming back to this place, and from here we are going in this. Now, actually, there is one head we will call or tail will called or we call start or last, whatever we have used. Okay. Now tell me here in this particular case, only head is storing the address of the first node and tail is storing the address of the last node. For example, now you forget that this is not there, head and tail are not there. Then is there any end for this now?
No, sir.
There is no beginning and no end. That means the node which you are going to give as the address store going to store is a start address, and after that last node whatever is going to be there, that is going to be the last node. Yes or no? For example, if there are I'll say 10 nodes like this, right? And this is being linked back and this is linked back. Now tell me if I am here, sorry, this is not there because if it is doubly linked list, it would be there, right? Okay, otherwise no. Okay, let us consider this is doubly linked list also. Now tell me if we are at the last node, if I am at the third node, for example, this is the third node, this I'll take it as the first node. Then what this becomes a second, this becomes third, and this becomes fourth, this becomes fifth. So this is the last node, fifth one is the last node. Are you getting the point or not? So there is no start and that is it all depends on the start pointer and the last pointer. Otherwise there is no end. There is nothing called as a beginning and ending for that particular this one. Okay, right. And next, a linear collection of data elements where the linear node is given by means of pointer is called what? What is it? Is nothing but a linked list definition. What is linked list? It is a linear collection of data elements where the linear node is given by the means of pointer. So this is nothing but this is a pointer. This is a node in which you have a pointer noting pointing to the next node.
Yes, sir.
So what is it called?
Linked list.
It is called as a linked list. That's all. It is called as a linked list. Okay. Right. Now let us look at this particular problem. Consider an implementation of unsorted singly linked list. What is it? Unsorted. This is singly linked list. Okay, let us take this is unsorted means 25, for example 32, for example 15, for example 18. This is unsorted. Okay, right? So now tell me, he says that suppose it has this representation with a head and tail pointer. That means start is there and also last is there. Okay, head and tail pointer. Okay, now he says that given the representation, which of the following can be implemented in big O of one time? Big O of one. What is big O of one? Is it is the complexity, right?
Complexities.
Insertion of the node at the linked list. So in the front of the linked list, if you want to insert in the front here, it is the first node which has to be inserted, right? That means how many times does it get repeated? Pos is equal to 1.
One.
Insertion takes place. And insertion at the end of the linked list, pos is equal to last. But remember, insertion is the last. Yes, right? You have to last pointer is given. Last pointer is given. So last arrow PTR is equal to, you are going to say new node, and afterwards say new node is equal to, that is, you don't require one more node here, one more temp which requires movement, which requires movement. So last is nothing but, you can say that last is also given. Yes, insertion at the end of the linked list is there. Okay. Then third is deletion of the front node of the linked list. Deletion of the front node, only start pointer requires to be moved, right? Start is equal to start arrow PTR, that's all. Yes or no? That is also big O of 1 only. Deletion of the last node of the linked list. Now this particular linked list, you did you see the no this one, deletion of a singly linked list, the last node? Did you remember that we have taken a temp, and temp has to be moved to the last? Why? Because when you are deleting the last node here, you are making last pointer pointing to the previous node. That previous node address is not known to us. Previous node address is not known to us, right? So that previous node address has to be assigned to last. So how can we do that? Only the previous node address is known. So it is not. If it is a double linked list, then the previous node address is nothing but previous arrow
LPTR.
LPTR. Sorry, no, last arrow LPTR.
LPT.
But here there is only last arrow PTR, but there is no LPTR. So the previous node address is not known. Previous node address is not known. So deletion of the first node of the linked list is easier. It is big O of 1. But deletion of the last node of the linked list is not big O of 1. It is big O of n. It is what? Big O. So I'll write first node, if I take insertion and deletion, both are big O of 1. But if it is last node, right, then insertion is big O of 1, but deletion is not big O of 1. It is big O of n, because it has to traverse from first node to the last node. All nodes have to be traversed. Okay, that is the problem. So what is the answer for me here now? Tell me, what is the answer?
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. All these are correct. Big O of 1. Okay. Right. Now let us consider an implementation of unsorted singly linked list. Consider an implementation of unsorted singly linked list. So same unsorted singly linked list. Suppose it has its representation with a head pointer only. Given the representation, which of the following operation can be implemented in? Now, in this particular, this one, this last is not there. Last is not. Now you may say, sir, without last, can we have a single link is only with start pointer? Yes. Why? Because this is going to be null. So when we are actually doing this one, we are going to move the, if we want to insert it as a last node now, last node insertion has to be done. What we are going to do, take temp in the first node and move the temp to the last node as you have been doing the deletion operation. So if that is the case, then you are in this particular case now, first node insertion is big O of 1, right? Insertion, and deletion is not big O of 1, but is big O of n. Deletion is big O of sorry, not deletion. Deletion is big O of 1 only, but last node insertion and deletion both are required. Temp has to be moved from first node to the last node. So it is big O of n. Big O of n. Now tell me, in these particular statements, now in the fourth, this one, insertion at the front of the linked list is what? Big O
Big
of
of
1.
1.
Insertion of the at the end of the linked list is what? Big O
Big
of
of n.
n. Deletion of the front end of the linked list is what? Big
Big
O
of
of
1.
1. But deletion of the last node of the linked list is big O of n.
N.
If the tail pointer is given, last pointer is given, then also deletion of the last node of the linked list is big O of n only. If big only front is given, that is start is given, but last is not given, then only insertion and the deletion of the first node is big O of 1, but remaining is big O of n. Is this clear now? Fourth question. So what is the answer for us for this fourth question, Amma? Andaru?
1
Yes?
and 3.
1 and 3. I know that most of the students could not answer these questions properly. Yes or no? Right? These questions were not that easy. You had to think on this. So these thinking questions have been given to you. Now let us see the fifth question. Consider an implementation of again same unsorted doubly linked dish. Suppose it has this representation with a head pointer and a tail pointer. Given the representation, which of the following can be implemented? Again, the same type of question. Everybody, now you should only think and answer this question now. You tell me, I have a doubly linked list, right? This is the last node, okay? And he says that there is a last, there is a start, both
Start.
are available. Okay, both are available. Now he says that implementation of doubly linked list, this is null, right? And this is null, remember, okay? Right now tell me, he says this particular this one you are implementing, so which is big O of 1? Let us say insertion of the at the front of the linked list. Insertion, let us take deletion, okay, right? Okay, deletion in the first node. Let us take first node, last node. Insertion of the first node, let us take now. Insertion of the first node is big O of 1 only,
One. Yes, sir.
right? Are you getting the point or not?
Yes,
And
sir.
last node insertion, what
Big
is
of
that you
one
have to
only.
do? Here you have to insert, and your last new node is going to be the last arrow rptr is equal to new node, and new node arrow lptr is equal to last, and
Last.
afterward last is equal to new
You
pointer.
know.
So
Yes, sir.
there is not a problem, big O of 1 only. So I'll say last also is big O of 1 only, right? Now let us say deletion. In deletion, if this is deleted, what is that you have to do? Start is equal to start arrow rptr, that's all, nothing more, right? Are you getting to the point or not? How to delete? Start is equal
Start
to
equals to start there.
start arrow
RPTR.
rptr, and temp you relieve it, right? So I'll say that big O of 1 only. The last node, deletion, first node is what? This is a table. If I take it, okay, big O of 1 only, right? Now let us take the last one now. Last node deletion. Now last node deletion means this particular node is being deleted. So this address now last has to be overwritten with the previous address. Where is
Yes,
the
sir.
previous node address? It is in the last
Last
arrow
arrow.
LPTR.
LPTR.
So is it required now to move the temp from the first node to last node?
No need.
No, it is not required to be moved. So what is the order of the this one now? Tell me complexity. Big
Big
O
O of
of
one.
1. Is this clear now? So now can you answer this question, please? What is
All.
the kind of big O of 1? All are correct now. All are big O of 1 only in
Yes,
this
sir.
fifth question. Okay. Right. Now let us take a sixth question. ECS in the sixth question. Now this was for doubly linked list. I'll just write doubly linked list. Okay. Now he says circular doubly linked list. Circular doubly linked list. So let us look at it again. Big O
Sir,
of this one. First,
sir, he
last.
was
Not
saying
circular, no, sir.
doubly linked no,
Doubly
sir.
linked list only, sir. Not
With head
circular.
pointer only, sir. With only one
Acha,
pointer.
acha, sorry. Okay. Now next is double linked list with only head pointer. With only a head pointer. This was what circular double linked list with the head and
Tail point.
tail. Right?
Head
Head
and
and tail. Is this clear now? Now let us see insertion and let us see deletion. Okay. Right? So now tell me if there is no tail here, there is no last pointer. Last pointer is not there. Last pointer is not there. Now tell me, if last pointer is not there, then what will happen now? Tell me. The last pointer is we are last pointer is not there. First pointer, first one is very clear. The first node insertion or deletion, the start
Yes,
is
sir.
there, so it is big O
Big
of
O
1
of
only.
one.
Now let us say insertion first. Insertion of the first node has to this as the last node has to take place. There is no last pointer, so temp has to come here.
Yes, sir.
Temp has to come here. Temp has to move. Yes or no? Right? So what will happen now? Tell me. Compulsorily it is big O of
N.
n. And similar deletion also. Tell me.
Big O of N.
Big O of n only.
Sir, you written wrong, sir.
Just a
Reverse
minute.
order you wrote, sir.
What you were said? What? Just a minute. What did I see? Which of the following operation can be implemented? Insertion. What insertion at the is deletion at the front end of the linked list. Okay. So okay. Now insertion at the, what is the correct answer? Now tell me. Big O of one. Insertion
1
at
and
the
3.
front. 1 and 3. That is only correct answer. What is only correct answer? Sixth one. What is the sixth answer? B is correct. What is the problem? What is the correct answer? Now tell me here.
1 and 3 only.
1 and 3. So what is reverse? I have written correctly only here.
Sir, here ink is vacuum in space. Sir. Last you wrote big O of 1, sir. Here.
Big O of.
For insertion, last big O of N, no,
Last
sir.
insertion big O of N, no, sir.
Okay, okay. This is big O of N.
And first
Right?
deletion is big O of 1.
Okay, I am sorry. This is big O of 1. Okay, and this is big O of N. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Is it correct? Okay, in the figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So our answer is what now? Is sixth?
B, sir.
1 and 3.
Okay,
1
good.
and 3.
Right. Now let us see the seventh question. Consider an implementation of unsorted circular linked list. It told circular linked list. Suppose it has its representation with the head pointer only. Okay. Now let us take what unsorted circular linked list. Circular linked list means you tell, remember when he has told circular linked list, then it is circular singly linked list. Okay. It is circular singly linked list. Is
Yes,
this
sir.
clear? So what will happen from here? The representation,
Yes.
the link is here. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is this address now? Tell me. This is the start address, first node address. What is start going to have? For example, this is 2566, 2566. This will also have 2566 only.
6, 6, sir.
Right. Now, what does he say? Given the representation, which of the head pointer only is there? There's no tail pointer, right? So, given can be implemented big O of 1. Again, you let us take insertion. Let us take deletion. Let us take first node, last node. Okay. First node and last node. Right. Now, let us look at it first. In this particular case, now tell me, if I'm inserting a node in the starting this one, is there any problem for me?
No, sir.
Think and tell me. Think and tell me. Consider an implementation of unsorted. You are inserting a node here.
Yes, sir. We have problem. Last node, sir.
Last node RPTR should be equal to the new node. How do you say? How do you go to the last node? There is no last. So you have to move the temp. Yes or no? You have to take a temp or not? You have to take a temp here initially and start moving it to the last until you reach the last. How do you say that you have reached to the last? Right? Okay. So number of nodes, temp. Now temp after reaching here, temp arrow PTR should be equal to the new node. Are you getting the point or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is a difference, right? In the programming we have done only by using the last, but there is no last here. The question is that without using last also we can do the problem. Okay. Now tell me, are we not? Is it big O of n or big O of 1 now?
Big O of n.
Big O of n. Big O of n is right. Now last pointer insertion. When your last pointer insertion is obviously already big O of n.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then first node deletion.
Big O of n only.
Again big O of n only because you have to move the temp. And last one.
Big O of n.
Big O of n. So there is no big O of 1 actually here. What is the correct answer? Seventh one?
None.
Seventh one correct answer is none. None is the correct answer. Everyone. Are you understanding? Why? Because all are big O of n only. If I would have said which of the following operation can be implemented in big O of n, then all the above, all are going to be correct. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what you should think. You should draw. Then only you will get the answer for this. Okay. That's good. Right. Is it clear now? Seventh question. Should we go for the eighth question now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, eighth question. Should we go?
Yes, sir.
Are we having all the participants? No, some participants have left. They are not understanding. Okay. It's their choice. If they don't attend, who is going to lose? Aisha, am I going to lose? Aisha 6226, who is going to lose? Aisha is not attending my class. She's
Yes,
just.
sir, I'm listening.
Then answer my question. Who is going to lose? Am I going to lose if I don't attend the class, or you are going to lose?
Myself.
Not yourself. We. You should say we, all students, whoever are not attending, right? Okay. So now did we complete the seventh question or sixth? Which question is completed now?
Seventh one, sir.
Seventh. So we'll do the eighth one now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Consider an implementation of unsorted circular doubly linked list. Unsorted circular doubly linked list. Got it or not? Okay. Unsorted doubly linked list. Unsorted doubly linked list. Okay. And then he says this is linked to unsorted circular doubly linked. And so this is linked to. Is the diagram clear? And
Yes.
given with the only head pointer, there is no tail pointer. Given the representative, which of the following operation can be implemented in big O of 1? That now this is challenging. Now you think and tell me. First is insertion. That is, I say insertion, and let us write deletion. Okay. And this is first and last. Now tell me, first one is what? Insertion at the front of the linked list. Insertion at the front of the linked list. When you are inserting at the front of the linked list, what are the things which are going to change? Now tell me. If I'm inserting a new node, the start is going to change.
So
right?
start arrow
And this new node
LPTR.
arrow, this start arrow LPTR will change. New node arrow LPTR will be equal to what? This address.
Yes, sir.
Where is it stored now? Tell me. Actually, this address is stored in
Start arrow LPTR.
So that is nothing but new node arrow LPTR is nothing but start arrow
Start arrow
LPTR.
LPTR. Yes, sir.
And tell me, new node arrow RPTR is what?
Start.
Why? New
Start
node
only,
arrow.
no, sir.
New node arrow RPTR means that is what? Is start.
Value.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Start
Now
only.
that is right. Now tell me this particular address. Right. Now you are going to change the RPTR of this or not, the last node?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
to access the RPTR of last node?
Start arrow LPTR arrow
That
RPTR.
means start arrow LPTR arrow RPTR. That is equal to the new node. Okay. Are you getting the point or not? So now tell me, does you require a temp to move from here to here?
No, sir.
In the doubly linked list, circular doubly linked list? No, you don't require. So what is this one? Now tell me, insertion of the first node or
Big
order?
of 1.
Big O of 1. Good. Now let us see the last node insertion. Next is what would be last node. Insertion at the end of the linked list. If I am inserting here, I have to make a change in this particular arrow. Yes or no? Are
Yes,
you getting
sir.
the point or not? Yes or no? Right? So how to access this start arrow, LPTR arrow,
LPTR arrow,
RPTR is equal to
RPTR.
new node. And again, new node arrow LPTR is nothing but where is this particular address stored in start arrow
Start arrow
LP row.
LPTR.
Okay, that is your assign. And after that, again, what is going to happen? New node arrow RPTR is nothing but equivalent to start. So are you inserting as a last node? Do you require a temp here?
No, sir.
No, you don't require a temp here also, right? So what does it mean? Insertion as last node is also big O of 1. Now let us see the deletion of the front node of the linked list. Front node, this has to be deleted. If this has to be deleted, this becomes the first node. Yes or no? So where is this address stored in? Start arrow RPTR.
RPTR.
Start arrow RPTR is equal to start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And remember, this address of RPTR has to be assigned to this one also. So start arrow LPTR arrow RPTR is equal to start arrow RPTR. First assign that. Okay. So do you require deletion of the first node? Do we require a temp? What is
No,
the
sir.
order? Big O of
1.
Right. Then last node has to be deleted. If this has to be deleted, this has to become the address, this particular address. Are you getting the point or not? That's the change you require. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the node to be deleted. So if this node is being deleted, this becomes the last node. So this RPTR is nothing but the start node, right? So
Yes, sir.
how to access this node? Now tell me how
Start
to access
arrow
start arrow
LPTR arrow LPTR.
LPTR arrow.
LPTR.
Yes. So what will happen now? Yes. What will happen? That means how do you are writing now? Tell me. I'll access it as start arrow LPTR arrow
LPTR
LPTR arrow
arrow RPTR.
RPTR is equal to
New
start.
start.
No, start. That's all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, did you get it? So, did you use this one now in the this one? Did you use a what is that called? A temp here?
Yes.
No, we have not used. So now tell me what is this one of the? This is also big O of 1. Big O of 1, right? Remember, accessing the addresses till you are accessing the addresses is not a problem, but when you are assigning something like temp is equal to temp arrow RPTR and that is being done for 10 times, then the order is 10. If it is done 10 times, it is big O of n, right? But you are accessing the address like arrow LPTR, arrow RPTR, arrow LPTR, then that is not a problem. Are you getting the point or not, right? So this is what. So now answer is what now? Tell me in this particular case.
All
now,
of the above.
all of the above. All of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? D is the correct answer. Okay. Right. Now let us see the 9th question. In linked list, each node contain. Now I think these first 8 these questions have been little bit analysis stuff.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir. Yes,
But
sir.
now did you people understand or not? Tell me that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If you understood this, then you have gone to a good level of understanding of linked list. Then writing the program is not at all a problem. Any restrictions you keep putting, you will now start solving the problem. Now, till now, till the test, did we talk about that, sir? Without last pointer also, can we do the problem? Did you ever thought about it?
No, sir.
Now, when we have conducted the test, you started thinking on it. That's the reason I keep telling you, my students, please think without that pointer, can we work or not? Are you getting the point or not? Yes. Now, if it is a doubly linked list, the circular doubly linked list, either you give start or last, how does it make a difference? Now tell me.
It's not different, sir.
I give start or last, how does it make a difference? Right? Whether if I put in the start in the left hand side, I say start, I'll put, or last. It is a pointer, that's all. It is storing either from the left hand side or right hand side the first node address. Very simple. And if it is a circular doubly linked list, right, then only one pointer is required to start from somewhere to start movement. That's all. Are you getting the point or not? Right? So this has to be kept in mind. Oh, next question. In linked list, each node contain minimum of 2 fields. Okay, these are the two fields. Here you have 3 fields. What are the 3 fields? One is the address field,
L LPTR.
RPTR, LPTR, and the data field. So he told one field is data field. Minimum out of two, one is data field. He told the other is what? Second field is nothing but a
Node pointer.
pointer to the node. It is pointer to node.
No.
So that's the reason. Pointer to integer? No, it is not pointer to integer or pointer to character. It is pointer to node. It is a data type. Okay. So it is not node. Remember, it is not node. It is pointer to node. Right. So the answer is ninth one is C. Okay. Now the next two is dairy. We have been writing this till now. We might have written 100 times. I have instead of writing it as type def struct node int data struct node star this one, what did we do? We have declared struct node has been declared int data struct node star next. After that we have told struct type def struct node. So
Yes,
what
sir.
happened now? These NODE now type def struct NODE is the data type which can be aliased or use a different name NODE. So now you are declaring NODE star PTR. That means PTR is nothing but a pointer pointing towards what? As a struct node. As a struct node. So how do you use a MLOC function now? Well, how do you use a PTR is
Node
equal to node
equals to
star? Or PTR you told, right? PTR is using, right? PTR is equal to our new node was what we have used. Here PTR is equal to
yes, sir.
node star. Capital NODE star MLOC size
MLOC
of node.
size.
Okay,
Node.
so is first one correct. Second one MLOC node is right wrong.
Wrong.
Why? Because without size of you will not find the how many bytes it has to be allocated. So this is wrong. Then MLOC size of node star is also wrong. It is not a pointer. It is the node, right? It is a node. What structure that data type. So size of data type only you're going to give, right? Node is a data type. And now here MLOC node is not there. Why? Because node star is not here. It doesn't. What is this part of the this one? It shows the data type
Point.
and the star, right? So that is one. So what is the correct answer for this now? It is A
Yes,
is
sir.
the correct answer. Now a variant of linked list. Variant means మార్పు ఓ చిన్న మార్పు చేయడం అన్నమాట. That is variant. Variant means a small change in which last node of the last points to the first node of the list. So if the last node points to the first node, then it becomes a circular
Circular.
linked list. That's all. It is if it is a singly linked list converted, circular singly linked list. If it is doubly linked list having a left side, right side pointer and a left
Doubly.
side pointer, it
Circle.
becomes a circular doubly linked list. There is no multiple linked list. Okay, so answer is C is correct. 11th one C is correct. In doubly linked list, traversal can be performed in both the directions, in forward direction, in reverse direction, in both directions. You can do it in the both direction. You see here in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, in this now I want everyone to think and write a program in the circle in the doubly linked list. Did I have given you position? For example, if there are 50 nodes, I want to insert a node at 35th node, 35th position. Now, what you have written the program is the temp starts from the start node. The temp start, please listen very carefully what I am saying, my dear students, which you have not done, which you want. I want you people to think and write the program and make the change in your program yourself. I will not write the program for that. For example, assume that there are 50 nodes, right? Now, both the directions, the movement is possible, right? Now tell me, if I want to reach to the 35th location, in which direction would you like to move? Would you like to move from front to 35 or from back to 35?
Can you repeat once?
There are 50 nodes. I want to reach to 35th node. Both the directions, it is a doubly linked list. Both the directions, the movement is possible. Now, if you want to go to the 35th node, are you going to move directly? You cannot go to 35th node. You have to either move from the first node or you can start from the last node. Now tell me from which direction you will move, from first to
Last.
35th or last to 35th?
Last to 35th.
Why you will move last to 35th?
Less number of comparison. Less
Less
number of
number
nodes.
of nodes, less number
sir.
of times it is going to, the loop is going to be performed. Yes or no? Right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
did you thought about this particular aspect when you were actually working on the problem of insertion of a node or a deletion of a node in between node? In the doubly linked list, did you thought you have taken the temp as the first node and you move to till if it is 10th node or 12th node till that position.
Yes,
Now you make a change in your program. You check what is the position value. If position is equal to, for example, position value is 35 are given. How do you say that 35 is nearer to 50 or 35 is nearer to 1? It is very simple.
Right.
Check pos. If pos is less than n by 2, number of nodes by 2.
Yes, sir.
If pos is less than n by 2, take the forward direction of the temp. If pos is
Greater
else,
than.
if pos is greater than n by 2, use the backward
Last.
direction. Use the backward direction. That means instead of new temp is equal to start, you're going to take temp is equal to last and do it. Are you getting the point or not? Yes or no? If start last is not available, then also you can do the problem. How can you do that? It is a doubly linked list. So what is the right pointer of the last node is stored in where? In the start arrow
Start
LPTR.
LPTR.
Start arrow LPTR. So temp is equal to start arrow LPTR. I'll do it. And I'll take temp is equal to, instead of temp arrow RPTR, we'll take it as temp is equal to temp arrow LPTR. And you start moving in left direction. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Please change the program of yours. Now, I want you people to write the doubly linked list and circular doubly linked list in a more efficient way by considering the position value. Once you take the position value, if it is not one or last, then how do you do it? Instead of moving the temp from the start moving the temp, that is move the temp either from start or last depending upon the position value. That is, if pos is less than n by 2, the number of nodes by 2, then you go from the start. If else, if it is greater, then you move from the right. Is this clear now?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Okay. This I wanted to tell you at this moment. That is possible for both insertion as well as deletion. So in doubly linked list, traversal can be performed in both directions. That is the advantage. A variant of the linked list in which none of the nodes contain null pointer. What is that null
Circular.
pointer is not there means what does that mean?
Circular.
It is again circular only. Okay, the question number 12 and the question number, a variant of linked list in which last node of the list points to the first node is nothing but what? Circular linked list. Yeah, and the same thing, he says that there is no null pointer. Then it becomes a circular linked list. It can be a circular doubly linked list or it can be circular singly linked list. Okay. Okay, in circular linked list, insertion of node requires modification of 1 pointer or 2 pointers or 3 pointers.
1 point.
Insertion of node requires only how many pointers? 14th one, just see, it requires 2 pointers to be changed. It requires 2 pointers to be changed. Circular linked list. Circular linked list. Okay. So in the circular linked list, insertion, right, takes 2 pointers. Please check your notes once again. Okay. Right. Next, in worst case, okay, the number of comparison need to search a singly linked list of length n for a given element is, in worst case, the number of comparison need to search a singly linked list. In the, what is the worst case? When the element is your searching
Last.
is in the available in the last. How to search the element? Now tell me how to do the search. In an array, you are saying that a of I, a of 0, a of 1. Here, how are we going to do?
Node.
Temp, you will initialize start is equal, temp is equal to start, and you will say temp arrow data is not equal to value, then your search is successful. Otherwise, your search is not successful. Okay, that's all. When you reach to the last this one, then also you have not got the success, then it is. So that is what is the linear search. So now tell me, linear search, if you are going to the last node, what is the this one on complexity of the linear this
Big
one?
O of n.
Big O of n. So what is this one now? Tell me. It is
N.
answer is n. In worst case, it is n. Okay. In the best case, it is 1.
1, sir.
1. Okay. When do we get the log n actually? When it is binary search, it is log n. Yes or no? Binary search, it is log n. We have done this. You people have forgotten. You have not written your examination of PPS. Remember, every class of our DSA is a revision of your class of PPS. Did you notice that last 15 days when we have been doing last 20 days, have you not revised your PPS? Loops you have used, do while loop you have used, while loop you have used, switch case have you not used, switch case you have used, yes or no? So are we not revising everything? If else have you used? Yes. So are we not revising everything, right? So please understand, every class of yours is going to be a revision. Which of the following points are true about linked list data structure when it is compared with array? When compared, first class itself, I compared the data structure with the array. Arrays have better cache locality that can make them better in terms of performance. Is it correct or not? Yes. Because I've told you now, when memory is wasted, but remember the first one, that is the array, first this one is known, cache this one is going to be there. So if the first base address is known, any element address can be found out. It is easy to insert and delete elements in linked list. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Insertion in arrays is difficult. Insertion and deletion of element in arrays is difficult, but in linked list it is true. The size of array is not pre-decided. Is it
False.
pre-decided or array size is pre-decided?
Pre-decided, sir.
It is wrong. Linked list cannot change their size anytime. No, it is dynamic memory allocation. It keeps changing.
Yes,
So
sir.
your third statement is wrong.
No.
So now tell me comparison of two arrays and this one. What you tell me? The better cache locality is there. So finding an element is easier in array. Finding an element is difficult because you have to go in a linear fashion from one node to the another node. Okay, directly you cannot move. That is the linked list. And insertion and deletion in array is difficult. Insertion and deletion in linked list is easier. The size of the array is static. It is pre-decided. Linked list size is what? It is not this one. Okay. Are you getting the point or not? Okay. So that's what I think. This got disconnected. This one, I don't know why. Okay. So what is the answer for me? Tell me now. Both 1 and 2 or 1 and 3 or 2 and 3 or all the above?
1 and 2, sir.
1 and 2. So 16th A. Now, which of the following is not a disadvantage to usage of array? Fixed size. There are chances of wastage of memory space if elements inserted in an array are lesser than the allocated size. Is that which of the following is not a disadvantage? Is the second one a disadvantage or not?
Yes, sir. Disadvantage.
Insertion based on position is a disadvantage. Accessing elements at specified positions is it a disadvantage or an advantage of
Advantage.
that is an advantage. So fixed size is a disadvantage. Wastage of memory space is a disadvantage. Insertion is a disadvantage, right? You cannot insert it fast, and only accessing element is at a faster phase. So
Yes, sir.
people will ask you compare between array and linked list. Nobody will ask you what is a linked list and what is an array. In the interview or any time in the examinations, comparison would be there between an array and linked list. So the advantage of an array becomes a disadvantage of linked list. Linked list advantage becomes an array. What is the linked list disadvantage? More number of pointers have to be maintained. Okay, are you getting the pointer or not? Here there is no requirement of pointers to be maintained. Okay. So then what is the time complexity to count the number of elements in the linked list? Now tell me, what is the time complexity? How many elements are there? You have to count means you have to start from the first node and traverse to the last node.
Last node.
If there are n nodes, you are traversing first node, second node till nth node. Just now, till now, we have discussed from first seventh, the second to 10th questions. If there is a temp and temp moves from first node to the last node, then it is big O of n we are saying. So now tell me, what is the complex time complex to count the number of elements in the linked list? If you
Big
want
O
to
of n.
count and there is no number of nodes is not maintained variable, then you have to take a variable and initialize it to 1, and temp is equal to temp arrow ptr, and counter plus plus is going to happen, and when it reaches to the last node, then you are going to say counter, what is the number, that is the number of nodes. So how many times you have traversed? Every time you have moved temp is equal to temp arrow data, and counter plus plus or I plus plus you have done n times, you have done, right? So big O of n is a time complexity. So it is not log n or log n square. Which linked list do not have ends?
Circular.
Circular linked list does not have ends. 19C. There is no. And finally, this is a simple array answer. Collection of homogeneous elements is called what?
Array.
Array.
Array. Now tell me, was the question paper a difficult question paper?
No, sir. Very.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a difficult, but only thing is that you should have put in more logical thinking was required here. So your class, attention to the class is very, very important. If you don't attend the class regularly, don't listen to the class properly, right? Then obviously you are going to lose. You will not understand, right? So is it clear now? What we'll do is, tomorrow we are going to have the class of stacks. We will implement it array, and also I'll complete the linked list representation array. Also we are going to complete it tomorrow, implementation. Okay, so tomorrow we'll go ahead with the stacks. Okay, is this clear? Any other question you have?
Will
Any
you share
questions?
that question copy in WhatsApp, sir?
Yeah.
Copies. Will you share it in WhatsApp, sir?
Okay, this question paper and answers, I'll do that. Okay, I'll share it to you. Okay, I'll share it. Any other questions anybody has got? If you don't have any question, then you can break. If you have questions, you can
Sir?
ask the questions by staying here.
Sir?
Attendance I have not taken because something I'm taking. I told those, but I got all 50 students have attended. That's a good sign. Okay, right. Yes.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇది అంతా అన్సార్టెడ్ లో తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్,
Ah.
అంటే సార్టెడ్ లో తీసుకున్న సేమ్ వస్తాయా లేకపోతే ఇంకా డిఫరెంట్?
The problem ఏంటంటే, if you are moving the temp, you are using there are two ways of moving the temp, right? One, you are taking the position and you are doing it. If example in sorted, this one, if he gives for example value, if you're comparing with the value and moving, right, then it would be different. But remember, unsorted first or last node is going to be the same. Okay, right? That's not a problem. Now we have done by using position. Did you ever thought of using it by value? You can do it by value also. I'll give the value, find that value and delete it, assuming there are no duplicates. Are you getting the point or not? There are no duplicates. So how to find the value? I'll start with temp, the first this one, temp arrow data. I'm going to check.
And
if the value matches with the temp arrow data, I'll break and I am going to temp will come to that position. I'll insert the node, or I'll do temp. I'll say free temp by using the operation.
Sir, if we do like that, then there will be accessing in pointers, no sir. Next node pointer.
Remember, next node pointers, everything is going to be done there. Everything that is now, instead of how are you moving the temp? You are moving it by the condition of pause, right?
Yes,
here
sir.
you are not going to move it by the pause. You are going to move it by the value.
Okay,
but how do you say that pause is equal to 1? By saying start arrow data. If your value is matching with start arrow data, then is the first node. If your value is matching with last arrow data, it is the last node. Otherwise it is in between node. Are you getting the point or not? So you have to move the this one. like you have done that temp is equal to start, and you have done I is
Temp
equal to, you have
equals
taken. Now you will not take I. You are saying, going to say, while temp arrow data is not equal to value, you are going to move temp is equal to temp arrow data. You are going to move. Sorry, temp arrow RPTR.
RPTR.
You will move. Got it or not?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Sir, can you use, say again, the websites for coding? I'll tell you, HackerRank, CodeChef. CodeChef is very beautiful, right? And there are more. I'll take that and I'll let you know. Okay, right? Karthik?
Yes, sir. I know that, sir, but someone asked other.
Yes. Okay, then I think you don't have any other questions. We can leave for the day, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Very much.
If you have any doubts also, you can get in contact with the seniors also. I'll take some seniors names and roll numbers and numbers, mobile numbers. I'll send it to you, and you can get in touch with, or you can get in touch with them in coding club, cyber security club. There also you can get in touch. They'll clarify more doubts. Very good seniors you have. That bonding has to establish with the seniors. Seniors are not meant for ragging or you going for that's wrong. Seniors are meant to clarify the doubts and let you know what is good and what is bad, right? That kind of seniors you have in your third year and final year. Very good seniors. Okay. So I'll tell the seniors also, and I'll take some numbers of the seniors. And like you may be knowing, third year Manish Reddy, you know how many know Manish Reddy third year? He got selected in master yesterday, Meta Graphics. He's very good in programming, right? Ambati Gayatri is there, very good, very good in programming. Like that, there are some students who are very good in programming. So you have to get in touch with them. Ask Anna, Akka, how are you doing? Where are you doing? How to do this? How to do that? You have to be behind them. You keep sending them this one, right? So they will help you out. Okay, they're very good. This one, right? So more on the seniors details, I will share it with you. I'll tell otherwise somebody else to do that with you people. Okay, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.